Now look at this. Pay attention to my feet. Can you notice that my feet are already folded? They are at 90 degrees angle when comparing to the imaginary line. So if my feet are already folded, they are already flexed. And that's why for the foot, we have the foot moving at the ankle joint. Up, this is one flexion, and down, that's another flexion. When you're moving up, which is bringing your foot closer to the dorsal of your foot, which this is the dorsal part, this is called dorsiflexion. When you are folding your foot down, so you're planting something in the floor, this is plantar flexion. So for your foot is already folded from the beginning. You have just flexion. You have either dorsiflexion or plantar flexion at the ankle joint. Okay?